In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to use Apple Pay on Expedia. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just open up the Expedia app on your phone, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just basically start booking something that you want to be able to book, and I'm just going to take a random hotel just to demonstrate for you basically in this tutorial. So I'm just going to take this one right here. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load. Let's see, and perfect. I'm just going to click on select a room. As you can see, I'm going to click on reserve, and I'm going to just click on pay now in here. It's going to take a couple of seconds for this one to load as well, just so you know. And perfectly, we should now be taken to this page right here where we can actually see the total cost, which is perfect. So I'm just going to scroll basically all the way down in here, as you can see, until I get to this page right here. So this is going to be the most important step. You're going to now select where it says debit or credit card, and then what you're going to do is to add the exact same details right here on the cards that you're currently using for your Apple Pay. So for example, let's say that you're using a specific card that is connected to your Apple Pay, and that is exactly the card numbers in here that you're going to write to be able to actually use your Apple Pay on your own Expedia, because it's going to be the exact same card that you're using for Apple Pay that you're going to use now for Expedia as well. And as of right now, this is the only way that you can actually use Apple Pay on the Expedia.